Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
This is the Razor HD Gen 2. Comprehensively designed, the Razor HD Gen 2 rifle scope is loaded with an impressive array of features for a precision shooting and tactical advantage. An advanced optical system displays a stunning ultra-high definition image. Premium XR Plus multi-coated lenses enhance brightness and color fidelity. Available reticles provide advanced options to quickly estimate range and compose complex precision shots. The first focal plane reticle subtensions remain accurate throughout the entire zoom range. Locking LTAC turret style precision adjustments and a rotation indicator provides visual and tactile tracking of full revolutions. The LTAC zero stop provides reliable return to zero and allows slight over travel for shots below sight in zero. The locking illumination dial with 11 levels of brightness is integrated into the side parallax knob for easy access and streamlined performance. The 34mm tube is ruggedly built and sealed, repelling both intense wear and tear from the field and extreme weather conditions. And should anything go wrong, it's covered for life by the Vortex VIP warranty.